Hi, I'm Manu Jain and I'm from Chandigarh. I have done a bachelor's in science and animation and game design. When I got to know about this course, I thought that it was the future because I come from a creative background and I did my 11th and 12th in commerce. I had no knowledge in maths or like I did not have a lot of programming knowledge either, but I wanted to learn. And I thought that the model that IIT Madras was providing was perfect because it gave me the flexibility that I wanted, but also had the rigor. So, this is like a full time degree, and there are no discounts in it. But I definitely recommend it because it has taught me so much. I think I have grown so much as a person, and people around me have seen that. I've become more disciplined and I value resilience way more. I also think that my foundation is stronger now than it used to be. I can memorize things faster. I am better at math, which I thought I would never be. So I think all of these things have really helped me become a better learner and be in a good position. We had this very interesting course, DDM, and in that, you had to do a project where you'd go to any business and analyze their problem and come up with a solution, which I thought was very interesting. And it required a lot of practical knowledge, which I did not have. So I chose a marketing firm, Scribbles, and they were nice enough to let me come every day and see and observe their business. While doing this project, I realized that I loved marketing and would want to be a part of it. So I when I completed this project and I submitted my project proposal, I also gave an additional copy to Scribbles, and they loved my work, and they decided to hire me. So I think this program has helped me get a great job, and it's been 2 years, and I still love what I'm doing. Yes, so I have made good friends in the program, especially when I did the SPG project, which is very hands-on because you get to do a lot of group activities, and if you have a great group, you can make very good friends. Also, I think when I entered the degree level, I found it extremely tough, and I used to write in the groups that we have that, oh, I need help in tutoring, I need someone to help me with these subjects. And, two people were nice enough to make a group. And we did a group study that we do weekly. So it was quite nice of them to do that. And they'd help me understand these concepts. Also, there's a person called Lalit sir. He really helped us with everything. All of the subjects that I took also overlapped with the subjects that he had taken. So he'd make amazing video content and he'd solve the previous year questions, and it'll help me so much with everything. I think in the degree level, it was so smooth sailing for me because I did the degree level in two terms. I did the both third and the fourth year in 2 terms, which is quite surprising because it took me a long time to do the first and second year. And it was all possible because of the people I met. I think the community is very, very helpful. And even the support staff, they reply to you within hours. And I think that's commendable. I actually wanted to take some offline courses in IIT Madras, and actually, they do give you the chance to take those courses in the third and the fourth year. So I think for anyone who wants to do this course seriously, they must keep their CGPA above 8 because those courses will definitely give you an offline experience, and it'll be exactly like an offline college. So you must keep your CGPA above 8, and also after this course you get to master. You can take admission into MTech programs also directly, which is very helpful. When we talk about the future, I feel like a lot of people will say this program is new. A lot of industry might not accept it, but I don't think that is true because change is inevitable, and this program, it embodies that change. which we will see in the future. And I think people need to respect that and they need to learn from this. And I think in the next 5 to 10 years, programs will like this will be the norm. Firstly, keep your CGPA up. Always study every day and try to maintain a GPA of 8 above. It will definitely reward you in the future. Secondly, take this course seriously and complete it, because I think this will give you a great return on investment and a lot of doors will open for you.